With that, I'll turn it over to our county attorney, Mr. Cochran, to explain the legal options regarding the sale of commission-owned properties in West Virginia. And Mr. Cochran, if we can keep it to 10 minutes or less.
I have some very good news with that. I've edited my presentation several times, and I do have it down now to 2 hours and 47 minutes. So, did you have that popcorn available now? Seriously, thank you, commissioners. Thanks to our county administrator. Thanks to many other folks that were involved in this purchasing these buildings and things like that. It's been a lot of effort on behalf of a lot of people, and it's been a long time coming. We greatly appreciate that, and it's going to do great things for Jefferson County. But I think this is going to help Jefferson County as we move into the future, but it does bring some questions to the table, because we have property, and what are we going to do with the property that we already have, the property that we are moving out of? Probably one of the most important foundational points is to recognize that we are a Dillon's Rule state in West Virginia. And what that really means is that we can only do what the state government authorizes us to do in code. We can't just do what we want. We can't act because the code doesn't say we can't, we can do it. No, the code has to give us authority. There's a case from our neighboring county, Berkeley County, and it's called the State Line Sparkler case, and it succinctly talks about this principle. The county commission is a corporation created by statute and possessed only of such powers that are expressly conferred by the Constitution and legislature, together with such as are reasonably and necessarily implied in the full and proper exercise of the powers so expressly given. This is the most important sentence. It can only do such things that are authorized by law and in the mode prescribed. So we are constrained by the law in how we deal with that property. It just so happens that the legislature has considered the issue of selling property. And in West Virginia Code 733, there's a specific statute that says, and I'm only reading pieces of it just for the sake of time. The county commission of a county is authorized by law. We talked about the Dillon's Rule. We're looking for an authorization in the law, right? And so we have that in this statute. The county commission of a county is authorized by law to sell or dispose of any property, either real or personal, belonging to the county. And again, skipping a few words here and there, the property shall be sold either at an on-site public auction or by utilizing an internet-based public auction service, and the sale shall be conducted by the president of the county commission. And it goes on to describe notice and things like that. So that's how we can sell the property. Now, that's subdivision A. Subdivision B says, the provisions of subsection A in this section concerning the sale at public auction do not apply to a county commission selling or disposing of its property for public use to the United States of America, the state of West Virginia, or its political subdivisions, which it goes on to name a bunch of those, the Board of Education, volunteer fire departments, ambulance services, or any community center organization or nonprofit senior center, or any authority, commission, instrumentality, or agency established by act of the state of West Virginia or any of its political subdivisions. And so there's more to the statute. For sake of time, I'm going to stop. But basically, we can either auction this property off, or we can find some governmental or other agency like it's described and work out a deal with them.
Excellent. And just really quickly, when you say subdivision of the state government? Does that include local governments?
Yeah.
Okay.
So the state of West Virginia or its political subdivisions, the county commission is a political subdivision of the state of West Virginia. And so would the municipalities be.
Okay.